What song did you sing to make it stop raining?
That song.
What is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
They
goodness.
following me. Yeah.
He's following me. Did Willow help you sing that song to make it stop raining?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty good. Y'all can do that. Can we go outside and do the rain dance song? Show me.
Yeah. No. You put watch us on the trampoline. I seen it on the trampoline.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll come outside and see you. Okay, show me the rain dance song. Hurry up, Willow. I can't hear you. Oh my goodness, it's following me. Now show me how to jump. Okay, it stopped raining now. Jump. Hey, do your frog jumps. Good job. Do a cartwheel. Oh, okay. Oops, easy. Easy, stay away from the edge.
Now we talk. And then we jump to Nana. Yeah, this is it.
Don't have your tongue hanging out when you're running. You might bite it by accident. That'd hurt. Who's silly? Look at me. Who is silly? Oh, yep. I think Raylan's the winner. Her looks pretty silly. Oh, my goodness. Look at Willow. Her looks pretty silly, too. Oh, be careful with that tongue when you're jumping. You bite it. Be careful. We don't want to bite that old tongue.